Okay, so to calculate a minor, we need to close a row and column based on the formula. Okay, so here is row and here is column. Okay, example for the M11, we need to close the first row and the first column. So the number balance will take it out, multiply across, and subtract it to get a single number. Same thing to the M12, M13, and so on. Okay, so here I would like to show how to calculate M21. Okay, M21, we need to close second row and first column. So the answer will be 2360. Okay, after that multiply across. 6 will multiply with 3 will multiply with 6, and 2 will multiply with 0. Okay, after multiply, subtract it and get a single number. Okay, after get a single number, put it on formula, and the answer will be here: negative 24, negative 18, negative 3, negative 20, negative 15, 4, negative 5, negative 4, 1. Okay, that's all for the minor. Okay, next I would like to elaborate how to calculate a cofactor. To calculate the cofactor, we need to multiply it with a positive and negative value. Okay, so the formula is here will be multiply with positive, negative, positive. Okay, here will be multiply with negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and positive. Okay, so after the multiply, positive multiply with negative, no difference. Okay, not to change, so the answer will be negative 24. Okay, negative multiply with negative, there will be positive, so here is positive 18. Okay, so the answer will be negative 24, positive 18, 3, 20, negative 15, 4, negative 5, 4, and 1. Okay, that's all for cofactor. Okay, so the last one is how to calculate a adjoint. Okay, to calculate the adjoint, we need to resolving the position of the number that is standing to asleep and that is sleeping to standing. Okay, so from the cofactor, there is sleep to standing, so the answer will be negative 24, 20, negative 5. Okay, the standing is sleeping, so the answer will be negative 24, 18, and 3. Same thing to the second row, third row, second column, third column, that is standing to sleeping, sleeping to standing. So the answer will be negative 24, negative 20, negative 5, 18, negative 15, 4, 3, 4, 1. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
So to solve Cramer's rule, we have 6 steps to get the answer. So step 1, change into matrix form. Based on the question that I have given, 2x plus y plus z equals to 5, x minus y minus z equal to 4, x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 6. So when you write in matrix form, we need to write 2, 1, 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1, 1, 2, 3 in the first bracket. So in the second bracket, we need to write x, y, z. So equals to third bracket, which is 5, 4, 6, where a is 2, 1, 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1, 1, 2, 3. So step 2, we need to find a. A equals to 2, 1, 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1, 1, 2, 3. To find a, we need to multiply. We need to add the first and second row, which is 2, 1, 1, 1, negative 1, 2, to the behind of a, so that we can multiply 3 by 3. So that we can multiply it 2 multiply negative 1 multiply 3 plus 1 multiply negative 1 multiply 1 plus 1 multiply 1 multiply 2. So we get the first bracket, we get negative 5, and minus the second bracket, which is 1 multiply negative 1 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply negative 1 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply 1 multiply 1. So in the second bracket, we will get negative 2. So for a, we get negative 3 for the final answer. So step 3, find a1. So when we want to find a1, we need to change the first row in front of the matrix form that we write just now. So the first row is 2, 1, 1. So now we need to change it to the third bracket that just now in matrix form. So the first bracket will be 5, 4, 6. So, and the second and third row will be the same, 1, negative 1, 2, 1, negative 1, 3. So we will use the same formula as just now. The second and first row, we will put it behind so that we can multiply 3 by 3. So the first bracket will be 5 multiply negative 1 multiply 3 plus 1 multiply negative 1 multiply 6 plus 1 multiply 4 multiply 2. So it will be negative 13. So, and the second bracket will be 6 multiply negative 1 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply negative 1 multiply 5 plus 3 multiply 4 multiply 1. So the answer we will get negative 4. So negative 13 minus negative 4, it will be 9. So step 4, we will find a2. So when we find a2, we need to change the second row. The second row, which is 1, negative 1, 2, will be replaced as 5, 4, 6, and the first and third row will be the same, 2, 1, 1, 5, 4, 6, 1, negative 1, 3. And we will also use the first and second row, put it behind so that we can multiply 3 by 3. So we will get 2 multiply 4 multiply 3 plus 5 multiply negative 1 multiply 1 plus 1 multiply 1 multiply 6. So for the first one, we will get 25, and the second bracket, we will get 1 multiply 4 multiply 1 plus 6 multiply negative 1 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply 1 multiply 5. So we will get negative 7. So 25 minus, we will get 7. So 25 minus 7, we will get 18. So for step 5, we will find a3. For a3, we will change the third row. The third row will be 1, negative 1, 3. We will change it to 5, 4, 6. So the same as in front, we will change the behind one. The first and second row a behind so that we can multiply 3 by 3. So the bracket will be 2 multiply negative 1 multiply 6 plus 1 multiply 4 multiply 1 plus 5 multiply 1 multiply 2. So we get it 2. So for the second bracket, we will get 1 multiply negative 1 multiply 5 plus 2 multiply 4 multiply 2 plus 6 multiply 1 multiply 1. So we will get negative 17. So for the final answer, 2 minus 17, we will get negative 15.
Okay. Step 6. Formula is x equal to a1 over a equals to negative 9 over negative 3 equals to 3. Okay. For y is a2 over a equals to 18 over negative 3 equals to negative 6. Okay. Z equal to a3 over a equal to negative 15 over negative 3 equals to 5. Thank you.